What's going on, boys and girls? It's been a minute since I've done a Franklin gourmet popcorn video. This popcorn is pretty unique because it comes with the oil, it comes with the salt, and it comes with the popcorn in it. And we're going to use our Franklin popcorn popper here. It's got a little thing that agitates the popcorn as it cooks. So we're going to go ahead and load this thing up. You just cut the tops of it and put it all in the pan and let it go. Now I like to do it like this. I like to go ahead and put the oil in there. Then I'll go ahead and cut the top here. Put the popcorn in there. Then we'll take the top of this here and put our salt in there. Then we'll put the lid on it here, y'all. And it's got a thing over here that snaps on this side. And see, then you just kind of stir it around like that. Once it starts popping, we'll come back. All right, after a little while on medium, it'll start to pop. You'll hear it popping. You start turning your handle. The more it pops, the harder the handle will be to turn. All right, it's going to start getting fast now. You just smell that popcorn, that buttery flavor, y'all. Handle's starting to get a little bit harder to turn. Again, you know, this is just a little fun gadget to have. I mean, I usually cook it in a wok, or I have another electric type of popcorn popper that does the same thing, but this is just something fun to do. Popcorn is really, really good. Franklin's popcorn is real, you know, it's probably a #1 popcorn. Bob's Red Mill is really good, y'all. Orville Redenbacher used to be the popcorn, but Orville's doesn't taste good anymore to me. Bob's Red Mill is #1 in my book. Franklin's is following right behind. See, and the handle's getting really hard to turn now. But you just keep on moving it, because if you don't, it will burn. This is the same thing as kind of shake it. Now you can go back the other direction too. Oh, here we go. When it starts to slow down, take it off, like now. There we go. We're going to take it off. All right, we'll open our lid here. Ooh, look at that popcorn, y'all. Ooh. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Let's do it. Okay, we'll do it this way then. Since you want to be belligerent, we're going to do it this way. There we go. Let's look at the bottom. See, none of it's burnt down there in the bottom there. And that's about the normal amount. Yes, I'm eating it off the counter. My counter's clean. That's about the normal amount I normally pop. So guys, that's the Franklin's popcorn, gourmet popcorn popper. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment on this video. And you guys have a great day. Peace.